Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here at the park I like to fly at, and I'm out here with a new micro bird. I got the little FX Hellfire. Mine finally came in. I ordered this a long time ago and it came to somebody else's doorstep, so I hope they enjoy it. But I had to order another one and it finally came in. Well, I've been sitting on this for about a week and a half maybe. This is my first chance to get this guy up in the air. First break of weather and all. Not too windy, but I am losing the sun, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and toss this guy up in the air. It came from this little guy came from AliExpress good finds. I'm going to try to fly this with my boxer transmitter.
Welcome to HTX.
So let's see, bear with me, y'all. FX protocol. Okay, so we're getting some response out of it, and with no delay, I'm gonna toss it up in the air. We losing light, y'all. Oh no! And it was acting weird. I don't know what's going on with it, but it did a nose plant, a nose dive. I'm glad I didn't get too high with it. It didn't do any damage to anything. It's really soft and mushy out here. Let me see, what the heck is going on with this little guy? Let me see. The controls seem to be working fine. Okay, so I think my switch was stuck. My little acro switch. I don't know why that would make it do that. But let's go. Okay, it's in the air now. I'm gonna try to keep it high so you guys can see it, because it's getting kind of dark out here. She's flying nicely. Let's see. Sheesh. Hardly any down elevator though. Really tight turn radius, but no down elevator. Sheesh. I mean, there's zero down elevator. I can't fly it down. Only up. So let me see. I'm gonna try to bring it in and make an adjustment, y'all. It glides pretty nicely. Let's see. Hopefully I didn't break a prop. Yeah, I didn't break a prop. It's really soft and mushy out here, so let's see what's going on with the... I can't get any elevator here. I'm gonna change the clevis there a little. Unsnap it. I'm gonna put it on the hole closest to the control surface to try to get the most throw I can get out of it. Let's see. Okay, so we got it hooked in real quick. Let's get it in the air again. See if I have any down elevator authority. Yeah, I can make it go down a little now. I got a little better. Check it out. Let's see if I can do a roll. Okay, I was able to do a roll. It has some lights under there on the wings. I like that. Slow flight capabilities and all, and try a loop. Oh, I tried a loop and I guess I wasn't going fast enough. I can't get any down elevator to set it up either. It's got some steep bank angles. I like that about it. Can turn it tight, and I'm not giving it any yank. I'm just giving it bank. And it's dipping to the side enough to make a pretty tight turn. Let me give it some yank and bank. Okay. Gotta keep the throttle up for yank and bank. Yeah, this guy is a nice flyer. Let me take it up high and try to see if I can dive. I can't get any down elevator with this little plane. It's a nice glider, but I just can't get any down elevator with it. Oh, you know what? I think maybe it's because of the way that I initialized it. Let me try to bring it back in. I'm gonna bring it back in, and then I'm gonna unplug it, plug it back up, level, and maybe that'll set the gyro better. Oh, hard crash. I got the wheels on it still out here in the grass. I'm supposed to have remembered to remove the wheels, but I didn't. I figure I can land it soft enough, and this little guy doesn't have a lot of inertia behind it. So let me see, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, unplug this guy. Unplug it. Let me see. Try to get it unplugged, and then initialize it facing down a little more, like that. Let me see. Let's turn the transmitter off and then back on.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay. Okay, maybe that worked. Let's see. Because I did have it sitting up on its wheels when it first initialized. Let's see. Maybe that fixed it. Let's see. Oh, that fixed it a little. Not much. I'm still having problems going down. Check it. I'm pressing all the way up on the left, on the right stick, and it's going straight. And I can't get it to go fast enough to do a loop. That's the best I could do with a loop. I can't come down, so I gotta bank it to get it to fly down. It's a nice flyer though. I just gotta figure out what can I do to get the elevator, more response from the elevator. I can fly it slow. It has a nice enough turn radius that I can fly it in a small space. Check it out. Yeah, but I can't get this guy to do a loop because I can't get it fast enough. I can't get it up to speed. That was the best I could do for a loop. Check it. Whoa. Okay, let me bring it in. The sky looks beautiful, doesn't it, y'all? See if I can get a roll. Roll. Oh, it rolled nice. That was a nice roll. Another roll. That was a little wacky. Yeah, there's a learning curve associated with this little plane, as it is now, with 0 to no elevator. I said 0 to no elevator. Little to no elevator. That's 0 throttle there, and it went down. I was thinking about landing it. Didn't make my mind up, and it didn't have enough power to pull up. So we're gonna call that a landing, y'all. It landed right over here in this marshy area too. The ground is nasty and soggy, and it lost the prop somewhere. Let's see, is the prop under it? This FX little micro warbird. This little thing is beautiful. I love the way it looks. It needs some more elevator, some down elevator to be exact. It's hard to fly down with this guy. I don't know, it's something with the programming, or maybe the gyro, the initial setting of the gyro or whatnot. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Maybe give it maybe trim it out to fly down or whatnot, you know, in the back with the elevator or whatnot, and maybe the gyro will keep it flying straight, but then when I'm ready to try to fly down, it'll probably work. So I got some experimenting to do with this little plane, but this plane is beautiful, y'all. And it seems like not too hard of a feat to get this guy flying correctly. As far as giving it down elevator, everything else is okay. It has decent power. This is a 1S plane, y'all, but it is brushless. So I'm thinking maybe a bigger prop, a larger prop, longer prop or whatnot will get this guy a little bit more power and flying a little more stable, because I did see a little bit wobble when I was flying it straight at times, and it's not too much wind out here, so I'm guessing that that's because of the power of it, and I didn't have enough power to actually pull up to get this guy to do a loop when I put it in manual mode. So I'm guessing it needs a better prop on there. The other FX micro warbird, it was a what is it, P51. I did put a different prop on there, and the prop did give it more power, so I'm guessing that that prop would probably work with this one as well to give it more power. And speaking of props, I really can't find that darn prop that came off of this little guy, but I won't hold you too long. I won't hold you guys too long with this video. Pretty awesome little looking plane, and it's a pretty decent flyer too, from AliExpress. I'll have links in description for this plane and the other one from FX, the little micro brushless P51, and I'll also have codes in description for you guys to try to get it cheaper. Other than that, it's a pretty decent flyer, y'all. I'll be back with another video soon, God willing. Thanks for watching. Look for this darn prop out here.